We're in the car, y'all. Say hi, birthday boy. Y'all. Look at Harley Quinn over here. And Mom Dukes. Driving Miss Daisy.
Nah. Is this Bedford coming up? Yes. You're gonna feel the heat from the grill. Oh yeah.
There goes the white people who act like they don't know. Never see black people. Say hi to the vlog. Fucking asshole. Asshole. Say hi to the vlog, y'all. Yeah.
Say hi to the birthday.
Say hi, birthday boy. Y'all say happy birthday to my brother. How old are you today? 18. Yeah. 18. 18.
Young man right now, huh?
Yep.
Young man. Happy birthday. Wow. Whoa.
So y'all, I just completed my exam. Super excited about it. About to head home now. It's like 10 o'clock. Y'all know this is hella early for me, especially since I've been home. Hey guys, I'm here at the nail salon. Doing my nails, please. I have a shoot coming up this weekend. Shit's so crazy. So, gonna get these done. Hey guys, I'm out for drinks and food with Kimberly.
I can't never see anything in these glasses, guys, but hi.
Let's get some food. I'm hungry, not gonna lie. And I ordered a Red Bull, guys. A Red Bull. So here I was doing one of my co-bottle girls makeup for our photo shoot. She was over me at this point. I kept asking her to look around so I could film the look, but it came out pretty dope. So guys, yesterday's photo shoot was a success. I didn't really get to film much because, I don't know, I was just like in the zone, I guess. But I did get an addition to the Lily family. I got a little kitten yesterday. Her name is Mia. She's a white kitty. And I'm going to, you already know, Target. either her or the Jazz Lab. Y'all already know. Her. We headed to pick up the Jazz Lab. Because she has the brother to Mia. And his name is Milo. So we're making this like a family Tarjay run. Pretty much. So, yeah. I know I look a little crazy, but y'all already know this is from the day before when my makeup looked like this. I ain't washed it off. So, yeah. But I'll see you guys when we get to Tarjay. I'm so excited. This is Vlogmas. You guys stay tuned because I am going to be doing a giveaway. You guys have to watch all of the vlogs though. And at the last vlog, which will most likely be, I'm gonna make the last vlog that you can enter the giveaway on the 22nd of December. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna. Kimberly, what do you ask?
Where's Kimberly?
I'm done. How we coming to the store together and Shorty gone? I'm over here looking for this girl, and here she is strolling in with Starbucks that she could have got when we was walking out. I want